What's up, guys? I got a Zippo review for you here. This is the Army Pinup. Let me see if I can focus in on this. There we go, Army Pinup. This was $25.95, and it looks quite sick. Check it out. This was pretty nice. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to get it. I actually found this one at a gas station. Never seen anything like it before. It's a matte green, and it's got this this Army Pinup girl on it. It's pretty nice. Now it is. Let me see if I can focus in on this. It was made in October of 2014. It's got kind of the cutout in the bottom. Sounds good. Looks awesome. I like it a lot. I'm gonna add this to the collection. And yeah, this is the Army Pinup. I like it a lot. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for next review, and take care.